Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to those who are new. Thank you so much for being here. So today on Whole Cooking Time, we are going to make some nice lemon pepper chicken wings. So if you want to see how I prepare my chicken wings, just stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. So guys, I have already cleaned my chicken with lime and vinegar. Now we're just going to season our chicken wings. First, going in with half tablespoon of my Maggi all-purpose seasoning, using half teaspoon of black pepper, going in with 1 tablespoon of my lemon pepper seasoning, also adding half teaspoon of my chili flakes. Then we're just going to mix everything together and get it nicely marinated, and all the flavors, all the seasons get straight into the chicken. So guys, our chicken wings are nicely seasoned. Now we're just going to place it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for 30 to 45 minutes. So guys, to season our flour, I'm going to go in with 1 tablespoon of our lemon pepper seasoning, also adding half teaspoon of black pepper, going in with half teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm using half teaspoon of my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Now we're just going to mix everything together, get it nicely combined. Now guys, we're going to coat our chicken wings in our dry ingredients. So we're lightly coating our chicken wings and dusting off any excess flour. So guys, after we have coated all our chicken wings, we're just going to go straight to the frying process. So if you have a lot of chicken wings, you can do it in batches. Now guys, going to add my vegetable oil. Guys, you can use any type of cooking oil you want. So I lost the clipping for when I was just adding my chicken wings to the pot. So we're going to fry our chicken wings until they are nicely golden brown. Then we're going to turn them on the other side so they can fry. But chicken wings are generally done within 10 to 12 minutes. So now guys, we're going to check on our chicken wings to see if they're nice and golden brown. Then we're going to turn them on the other side. Okay? So just turning them on the other side so they can fry. So guys, our chicken wings are nicely golden brown. They are all fried. So now we're just going to remove them. So guys, in my bowl I have my melted butter. I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of my lemon pepper seasoning to that butter and just mix everything together. Then we're just going to lightly coat our chicken wings with our butter sauce. So there you have it, guys. Our lemon pepper chicken wings are nicely done. They are all coated with our butter sauce, so now they are ready to eat. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you next time, bye guys.